boy. Gotta set off an alarm real quick. Let's get a downshift. Let's get one more where we did. Nice ass video of me downshifting from like 4th gear all the way down to 1st perfectly. To those downshifts. Passing up my job. YouTube, I'm over here cutting the fuck up. So let's go to auto mode, save gas. Actually, yeah, eco. That's the end of this video. I'm fucking up my gas. And yeah, so if y'all want to help me out, not even if y'all want to help me out, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss these bangers, because I'm finna be going crazy. I'm gonna do everything to this car that you wish you could do to yours. Like, you feel me? No disrespect, but I'm gonna do shit that hasn't been done, or hasn't been done, like rarely ever been done with this car. So stay tuned. If you want to see it happen faster, make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, comment feedback, give me ideas. I'll take everything into consideration. This is my car channel, my IRL channel. I'll be doing more than just car shit, but it's gonna be mainly car shit on here. So if you really fuck with me in real life, like for real, then make sure y'all stay tuned and support. Check out my gaming channel too. I got over 4,000 something subscribers on that one. I get paid from that one. So the thing is, I'm not really, like, I was into gaming. I'm not into gaming as much anymore, so I don't really upload on that channel like that. But yeah, just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Have a wonderful day. I'll keep trying to upload consistently for you guys, as consistently as I can. I work full time, so it's only whatever I have time for. But yeah, I'm talking a lot. I'm dragging it out. I'm sorry. Peace out, yo.